What's good, YouTube? Just Farm here. Today, guys, we picked up some Princess Auto Roof Rack, guys. We went there, guys. It was a crazy sale today. It was a Canada Day sale, early Canada Day sale. So we picked up some roof racks, or one roof rack cargo basket, and this one's a cool extension. And we're very lucky that we got this because the last one there, and there were only a few left of these, and we didn't want to have to go to the other store, guys. But you guys can get a little quick specs on this. It's a roof mounted cargo basket. The size is 41.5 inches by 37 and 5 inches height. Max load is 200 pounds. It's lightweight. It's made out of steel, if you guys are wondering. Durable powder coat finish. Mounts to roof rack with base rails and then mounting brackets included. And a quick picture, you guys can just see that's how it looks like. It has the sides there. And people say that it does come with the Powerfist sticker, so that's one thing I'll probably just remove. And then this is the second box, guys. This thing was or before I get the second box, because this one right here was I think 139 or 149 on sale for 99. So I picked this up for $100 plus tax, and this thing was regular price 59 bucks. And this I just had to get, guys, because I didn't want to bother having this product discontinued or run out, because they've had this for some time. And this one's 21 by 37 5 inches, and this pretty much adds 21 inches of rack length. So this is a middle piece. These are pretty much two pieces, is the back and the front, and then that would be the middle piece that goes in there to get a total length around 60 something inches total, guys. So it makes it a fairly pretty good size roof rack for around 150 bucks if you bought this thing on sale. Otherwise, if you bought this not on sale, it would be roughly $200. And then there are more alternatives on Amazon too, but guys, for the price and the time, I just bothered going with this one. I'm going to put this one on right now, guys. I'll show you guys this in another YouTube video too, guys. Make sure you guys check that one out when I'll be showing you guys roof basket extension of unboxing this and installing it to the Hummer. But for right now, guys, we're going to be unboxing and setting up the actual roof mounted cargo basket itself, guys. Because people would just be buying this model. Not that many people buy this. So I'll show you guys on how this one looks. And also, quickly to show you guys on the Hummer. If you guys can see, I got the Canada flags all over it. Give you a quick look too. Yeah. You guys already know, got the Canada flag on the hood and all that. But for the roof racks, we have one right there and one right there, if you guys can see. And I do want to move that one all the way over, so you guys can get a better understanding, right over here to the end. But the problem is, you guys can see there's a key. And I didn't get the key when I got the vehicle, guys. The previous owner was, I don't know, I guess busy surfing, and he just ended up losing it. But that was like, what, a few years back? Or it's been a long time since we bought it, guys. And so I didn't really ever bother putting a roof rack or doing anything with it, guys. We didn't really do anything with the roof. So that's the main thing that I'm gonna have to get a bump key or figure what out. I'm gonna have to go to locksmith, or I'm gonna try seeing what I'm gonna have to do for that vehicle, for that roof rack key right there, because there's one there and there's one on the opposite side as well. So I gotta open that side and open the other side and make it slide and then put it over there. But I did do my measurements, and this roof rack setup right now is perfect to fit that actual cargo basket right there, guys. So it fits perfectly. If I can give you a top shot right here, and it's not going to be with the sunroof in way or whatnot. I know there are other roof racks too, like the Gobi roof rack, that I would just have to move this over here and put that on the end, and I can have a roof rack going all the way over to the front and all that. But that's like what, $1,200–1,300 US dollars, and then transfer to Canada, it's like what, adds up 15–16 plus tax. And it's just, is it worth it? You know what I mean? Because I just want a quick roof rack that I can take on and off, make it into like a safari trail Hummer, and then take it off for the weekdays or whenever I don't feel like having it safari like. And that, no. So you guys kind of understand, I'm going to be putting like a spare tire on top and cargo, like, I don't know, I forgot what that thing's called, like a cargo net or whatever, the military cargo net style thing. And we'll see how it looks, guys. And I also have another hitch mount basket that I bought last year for like bikes and stuff. So I'll show you guys when we unbox this thing. We'll show you guys how we install it and how it looks on the Hummer, guys. Alright, guys, I want to quickly just show you, because I know there's no videos on YouTube at all for this roof rack and whatnot. So I'm pretty sure this will be similar to a lot of the other Walmart or Harbor Freight roof racks as well that fall into these similar looking categories. So right away, nothing left in the box. This thing pulled out just like this, and you guys can see it's just attached to one full thing. So you guys want to cut the zip ties, and you guys want to secure your hardware. That's going to be in this box right here, and we're gonna get our hardware out, and this thing's gonna simply just attach. You guys can see how it's like that, And then these ends are a little bit smaller, and it just slides right into place. And then click clack, and then I'm pretty sure into that right there, that cardboard right there is a front shield. So I'm gonna cut this and lay all the parts out, and I'm gonna show you guys what we actually got in here. All right, so we got it all open, guys. You guys can see this is how it's supposed to be. I just laid it out so you guys can get a quick understanding. So that's the back, that's the front with the angled right there. It came with these metal pieces right here. So those would go on top of this thing after they close up, same as there. And then there's also one for back here, these metal curved things. I believe these would just like kind of sit on it like that, and you guys would screw it in with that screw hole there. And then here's the front, the actual air deflector type of guard right there to help with airflow. So that's this right here, guys. You guys can see it's actually the upgraded one. It's not the actual Powerfist sticker. I read in the reviews, people said there's a sticker on it just like the Powerfist one. So this is the upgraded model or whatever. So I believe they fixed all the rust coating and issues that this previous roof cargo racks had. As you can see, it's actually a vinyl sticker instead of just a regular sticker. So you guys can just reverse this and just put it on the opposite way so you guys can't see anything at all, and that sticker would just be on the inside. Or you can just go ahead and try removing that and try scratching it. But for now, I'm not even going to bother. For this, just to give you guys a quick understanding, I'm most likely just going to have Hummer written right here and H3 right there. But then I'm just going to flip it and just have just the Hummer H3 in the center written out right there. Just Hummer one time wide. And it'll just be written on the front right there in the picture. You guys get a quick understanding. And then I'll probably hook up some roof lights to this and all that. Do a couple more mods to this. So make sure you guys stay in tune for that. And then the hardware that came with it as well. Some metal brackets for different type of roof racks and whichever roof rack type you have. It came with all those mounting brackets and a securing hardware as well with the Allen key and all these bolts and stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna quickly attach this baby up, and I'll show you guys how we're gonna attach this thing to the Hummer. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna make a quick update on how it's going so far. We connected everything. So for here, the sides, you guys are gonna use a small bolts, the smallest one, the hardware that came with it, if you guys are wondering. The washers did not come with it. And then for the back, you guys didn't want to use the one bolt that came without a nut on that with the knob on the end there, as you guys can see. And so now for the front, guys, you guys can see these plastic clips. You guys want to put these, they came with 3 of these ones. You guys want to put those 3 on the top, and then you want to put these weird ones with this thing pointing, facing out like so. So you guys can see the difference of the 2 clips. These ones on the top, but these ones on the bottom facing like that. And just have them all lined up. That way when you have this thing right here, this thing will just sit on top, and you can see down there the hole pretty much lines up right there as well as you adjust it. So that's just a quick understanding if you guys are wondering. It does not show in the instructions anyway how to install it. So this is just to help anyone out there if they're purchasing the same roof mount cargo carrier, they can understand how to install it and how the plastic clips go, guys. Alright, guys, we got all hooked up to the Hummer, you guys can see, and I think it really looks cool, guys. This thing looks really badass. Keep in mind this is a the small version right now. It's not the extended because I don't have the key locks for it to go all the way back there and have the extended another 21 inches, guys. But damn, guys, it really makes a big improvement. Here, I'll give you guys a better look. The flags are probably getting in the way. So from the side, you guys can see, it really looks good. And then also from the top view, so right above, a little bit overhang of the sunroof. There's more than enough clearance. That's how we got it hooked up. As you guys can see, that's the hardware, and it pretty much lines up perfectly, guys. And then on the front of this, as you guys can see, I just put this thing backwards so you can kind of see the Powerfist logo on that side. And up here, I'm just gonna put Hummer in with the white vinyl cutter machine. Or not the white vinyl cutter, I'm gonna use the white vinyl. I'm gonna use the cutter plotter I have, the 24-inch cutter plotter. And I'm just gonna write Hummer up there, and it's gonna look so badass, guys. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, guys. And I'm just gonna quickly make the vinyl cutter, and I'll just put in a quick part right now of how it looks right now with the Hummer written on it.